Serving you on TV, online, and on the go. This is Valley News Live 10 at 10.
Lanes are back open on I-29 in Richland County after a fire that may have started from a combine grew out of control due to high winds, forcing a portion of the interstate to shut down. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Krista Boehm. That fire is being watched tonight while other fires like the one in Marion kept crews busy across the valley. Several calls in response to the dust and smoke in the air, and the two combining to create low to no visibility on the road. Stutsman County was one area responding to several grass fires and one combine fire. But all areas across the region had a hard time handling flames that sparked faster and larger from high winds. And with that, let's check in with meteorologist Robert Hahn. And Robert, how long is this wind going to stick around?
We're actually in a lull right now. We'll have more winds kicking up as we head through the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. It'll be a more prolonged high wind event. We'll get to that here in just a moment. I want to get to the tower cam time lapse from earlier this afternoon. You certainly noticed that front when it came on through. A lot of wind and a lot of dust and smoke with that wind. And again, in a bit of a lull right now. And before that front got here, incredibly warm temperatures out there. 97 in Fargo, also 97 in Wheaton, 95 in Wahpeton and in Sisseton. Many records shattered, including here in Fargo. And that also the record for the warmest October day and actually the warmest day of the year. Before today, the warmest day was 96 degrees on August 14th. Right now, we've got temperatures in the 50s and the 60s. And again, a lull in the action. But if you look off to the west, the next front, the reinforcing shot of cold air, has already made its way through Minot. They've got winds gusting up to 53 miles per hour. A lot more on the strong winds that we'll be seeing once again later tonight and into much of the day tomorrow, coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, thank you, Robert. And a thank you to everyone who sent in their reports and photos to us on our Facebook page. You can check out a gallery we have on our website. You can always share with us and follow the latest news, weather, and breaking news updates anytime on your feed.